story of Anthony Hopkins, a story of autistic success, a brilliant mind on the autism spectrum. When people think of great actors, Anthony Hopkins is one of the first names that come to mind. His powerful performances as Hannibal Lecter in The Silence of the Lambs have amazed people around the world. But what many do not know is that Hopkins was diagnosed with Asperger's, which is a form of autism, later in his life. This diagnosis helped him understand himself better and explains much of his brilliance. Anthony Hopkins was born in Wales in 1937. As a child, he struggled in school and didn't connect with other students easily. He said that he often felt like an outsider and didn't know why. Later, he described himself as a loner who had trouble with social interactions, but had intense focus and a strong memory, traits now often recognized in common with a lot of autistic people. Hopkins has said that these traits helped him deeply understand the characters he played and memorize scripts quickly. Between 20 and 25, Hopkins studied at the Royal Academy of Dramatic Art in London. He then joined the National Theatre, where he worked under famous actor Laurence Olivier. These were important years in his development as an actor. They were not easy. He had a hard time fitting in and didn't enjoy the social parts of theater. He began to struggle with alcohol, which became a major problem in his life. He eventually overcame alcohol addiction in the mid-70s. He credits a moment of clarity and spiritual feeling as the start of his recovery. He stopped drinking and focused fully on his career, and this decision changed his life. His big breakthrough came in 1991 when he played Hannibal Lecter in The Silence of the Lambs. He won the Academy Award for Best Actor and became a global star. He later won an Oscar in 2021 for The Father, showing that his talent lasted over the decades. Hopkins' story is one of resilience and deep self-understanding. His autism helped shape the way he sees the world, and instead of hiding it, he used this as a strength. His life is an example of how neurodiversity can fuel greatness. And just like him, you were born different to make a difference. Go be great today. Please offer the customary sacrifices to the algorithm God. Thank you.